RDL, here's your 427 FE. The description of this combination got the Edelbrock heads on it. It's got the Edelbrock manifold. It's got a custom grind solid roller in it. Got the March front end on it. Make sure the alternator charges for you. It's got one of our rotating kits, Eagle crank and rods, and custom DSS pistons. We'll go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okey-doke, 3,200, 463 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 494, peaks horsepower 463, rated at 470, front end's about 15, so it runs good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things here. See if you're in, you find this thing, looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. I highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, some other specs. If you need anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That will take you to Sportech stuff. Have a great day.